Hello guys, welcome back. So as we have already completed our 3 challenges, let's take up our 4th challenge now, which is use Picklists in formulas. So once if you launch your playground, click on object manager. So here in quick find I'm just going to search for case. So once if you get the result, click on it. So if you scroll down, you will find validation rules right over here. Click on validation rule followed by new. So let's start with this formula. So I'm just going to paste this formula right over here, which I will provide in comment section to check that. Let's copy your rule name now. So if you scroll down, you will find name right over here. Copy this and paste it over here. So once if it is done, let's give our error message. So copy this and paste it right over here. So here by clicking on the field, give it as escalator followed by save. So that's all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on check challenge. So guys, before checking, we just need to add this escalated field to case paste layout. So for that, let's click on back to case validation rules and now click on case page layout. Just open this case layout. So here if you scroll down, you will find this case information. So here we are just going to add this escalator. So just drag and drop this escalator to here. So once if it is done, click on save. And now we can check this challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed this challenge as well. Remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.